the following counties in Minnesota: Kittson and West Marshall. What? Blizzard conditions. Additional snow accumulations of up to 1 inch. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? In Minnesota, Kittson and West Marshall counties. In North Dakota, Pembina and Eastern Walsh counties. When? Until 6 p.m. This evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details: while blizzard conditions are expected in many areas, this will be more impactful in open country. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for North Dakota can be found at travel.North Dakota Gov and for Minnesota at 511mn.org or by calling 511 in either state.